In this video, perhaps the simplest way to add a light to your bathroom fan. Stick around. So it's a good idea to turn off power to your fan before you start working on it. First step is to remove the old fan cover. And just go down. If you look in here, you'll see these little hooks and they just bend. Yeah. See, they just squeeze them together and they come out. We'll do the same thing to this side. Boom. Done. Next step, we're just gonna unplug the fan from here. Pretty simple. Now we're gonna bring in our new fan cover that has the built-in light. And basically, we're just gonna plug this end into the outlet in the fan box, and we can plug our fan back into that, and we're good to go. And just slide the whole thing back up. Boom. Flip the switch. Look at that. Boom. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing, give the videos a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more do-it-yourself videos. Thanks for watching. I'm Joe Kistel.